Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record on OPPO mobile phone. Activate screen recording. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. You just scroll on the down like this, and here you are going to find the recording option. Just click on the screen recording and this recording will be activated. You just click on this red button. See, it used to be activate. You can activate it like this. See, it does 2 3. Okay, if you want to stop, you can stop it like that. See, the recording file has been saved. Okay, and friends, if you don't find this option, what you need to do is that you just click on this pencil option here. Just click on it. When you click on it, just slide like this, whether here is screen recording or not. Okay, you can search it by sliding like this, whether there is screen recording or not. If there is screen recording, what you need to do is that you just tap on that screen recording and you can move the screen recording like this. Okay, you can bring here. Okay, so friends, I hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.